Hey, hello everyone. Myself Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd. Subject English Grammar. Today we will learn about singular and plural. So let us start. Singular means single. As we know that when a noun refers to a single person, place, animal or a thing, it's called the singular form of nouns. For example, single dog, single cat, single flower, single pencil, single frock. It means singular. Singular means single or one. A singular noun names one person, place, animal and thing. For example, one boy, one school, one zebra, one bag. Plural means denoting more than one. Now, when it refers to many persons, places, animals or things, it is called plural form of the noun. For example, many flowers, many birds, many cows. A plural noun names more than one person, place, animal, thing. For example, many boys, many schools, many zebras, many bags. Singular stands for one. For example, one chair, one bird, one key. Now here, plural stands for more than one. For example, many chairs, many birds, and many keys. Now let us do one activity and understand the concept more better. Children, count the number of pencils on your screen. Yes, there is only one pencil. Now recall what we had learned at the start of this lesson. We have learned that a singular noun names only one. It names only one. See the number of pencil. It is only one. That means it is a singular noun. Next, now see the number of pencils on your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, there are 5 pencils. Then recall what we had learned at the start. Yes, a plural noun name more than one. It names more than one. Okay. See the number of pencils. Is it more than one? Yes. There are total 5 pencils. So, it is a plural form of noun. Understood? So, students, let us understand more better with the help of a picture of a garden. So, students, in this picture, how many dogs are there? Can you see? Yes, only one dog. Right. So, singular stands for single or one. So, dog is a singular noun. So, dog is a singular noun. Next, how many birds can you see? Yes, there is only one bird. Right. So, singular stands for single or one. So, that's why bird is a singular noun. Now next, how many boys can you see? Yes, absolutely correct. There are 3 boys. Number of boys is more than 1. So, it is a plural form of noun. Understood? Now next, how many girls can you see? Yes, there are 3 girls. Number of girls is more than 1. So, it is a plural form of noun. Next, how many trees are there? There are 3 trees. Number of trees is more than 1. So, it is a plural form of noun. Next, how many flowers can you see? Yes, absolutely correct. There are 21 flowers. Number of flowers is more than 1. So, that's why it is a plural form of noun. Now, next example is about a jungle. Which animals can you see in this picture? Yes, here monkeys, lion, rabbit, fox and giraffe are there in this picture. Very good. Now tell me the number of rabbits. How many rabbits are there? Yes, correct. There are 3 rabbits. Very good. Now next. Number of monkeys. How many monkeys are there? Very good. 2 monkeys. As the number of rabbits, monkeys and flowers are more than 1, so they are plural noun. Now tell me, here how many foxes are there? Yes, only one fox. It means it is singular form. Like this, here only one lion, one giraffe. So they are also in singular form. Understood? From the previous picture, singular nouns are one lion, one giraffe, and one fox. And plural nouns are many rabbits, many monkeys, and many flowers. So students, there are some rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Let's see how. Rule number 1 is by adding s to the end of the noun. Let us see some examples of it. For example, book, books. Can you all see the number of books in the plural column? Yes, there are 4 books. So, it is more than 1, and that's why it is the plural form of noun. Next example is cup, cups. Number of cups in plural column is more than 1. So it is plural. Next example is egg, eggs. Number of eggs in plural column is more than 1, so it is plural. Next example is tree, trees. Number of trees in plural column is more than 1, so it is also plural. Next example, horse, horses. Can you all see the number of horses in the plural column? Yes, there are 4 horses. So, it is more than 1, and that's why it is the plural form of noun. Next example is rat, rats. Number of rats in plural column is more than 1, so it is plural. Next example is apple, apples. Number of apples in plural column is more than 1, so it is plural. Now next rule is by adding es to the singular noun ending with s, x, sh, ch, ss. For example, box, boxes. The singular noun ends with x. Here and es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes boxes. Next example is watch, watches. The singular noun ends with ch. Here an es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes watches. Next example is bus, buses. The singular noun ends with s here and es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes buses. Next example is brush, brushes. The singular noun ends with sh and es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes brushes. Next example is ostrich, ostriches. The singular noun ends with ch and es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes ostriches. Dish, dishes. The singular noun ends with sh and es is added to the word, make it into plural form. So it becomes dishes. Now rule number 3. When a noun ends with o, then es is added to it, make the noun into plural form. For example, mango, mangoes. The singular noun ends with o. So, I have added es to the singular noun to make it plural and hence it becomes mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. The singular noun ends with o. So, I have added es to the singular noun to make it plural and hence it becomes tomatoes. Next example is potato, potatoes. Here also the singular noun ends with o. So I have added es to the singular noun to make it plural and hence it becomes potatoes. Next, buffalo, buffaloes. The singular noun ends with o. So, I have added es to the singular noun to make it plural and hence it becomes buffaloes. Now students, you have to remember these all points. Points to remember. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. Number 2. The noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of two or more things. Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Write plural form of the following. Question number 1. Write plural form of the following. Now next question is, apply the rules to nouns ending with s, x, sh, ch, ss, o. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.